Welcome to today's crochet tutorial. We're making a super cute Christmas elf hat perfect as a holiday ornament, keychain, or a lovely handmade gift. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crochet ideas. Your support truly motivates us to keep creating free patterns. Prepare 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm hook, and remember to watch until the end. Every second you watch helps us so much. Let's begin. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Make 6 single crochets, then slip stitch to close. Great job getting the base started. Tip: keep your tension even for a neat ring. For rounds 2 to 10, chain 1, work 6 single crochets, then slip stitch. Repeat 9 times to build the tall point of the hat. You're doing amazing. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track. For round 11, chain 1, repeat 1 SC, 1 increase 3 times, then slip stitch. The hat starts widening. Great work. Tip: space your increases evenly. For round 12, chain 1, make 9 single crochets, then slip stitch. Simple and smooth. For round 13, chain 1, repeat SC, ink, SC 3 times, slip stitch. Your shaping looks awesome. Tip: stretch lightly to keep the circle flat. For round 14, chain 1, work 12 single crochets and slip stitch. Nice job. For round 15, chain 1, repeat 3C in C 8 times, then slip stitch. Your hat is growing beautifully. For round 16, chain 1, make 15 single crochets, then slip stitch, smooth and steady. For round 17, chain 1, repeat 2 SC, ink, 2 SC, 3 times, slip stitch. The shape is forming perfectly. For round 18, chain 1, work 18 single crochets, then slip stitch. You're progressing wonderfully. For round 19, chain 1, repeat 5 SC, ENC 3 times, slip stitch. Your hat looks adorable already. For round 25, chain 1, repeat 3, SC, ints, 8 times, slip stitch. Perfect. Tip: keep your stitches relaxed. For round 26, chain 1, work 40 single crochets, then slip stitch. Your brim looks great. For round 27, chain 1, repeat C, in C 20 times, slip stitch. The brim is now complete. Amazing work. For round 28, chain 2, make double crochet increases all around, then slip stitch. This adds a lovely decorative edge. Tip: keep DC height even. For round 29, chain 1, crochet 120 single crochets, then slip stitch. This gives the hat a firm, polished finish. Great job! For the star, round 1, magic ring, 5 single crochets, slip stitch. Cute beginning. Round 2, chain 1, make 5 increases, slip stitch. Your star is growing nicely. Round 3, chain 1, repeat C, in C 5 times, slip stitch. Perfect shaping. And that completes our adorable Christmas elf hat. Thank you so much for watching, all the way to the end. Your support truly means the world to us. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know what you want to see next. Your engagement helps us create more free patterns and inspires us every day. See you in the next crochet video.